What do the numbers 27, 9, and 3 have in common? Well, 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. 9 is 3 times 3, and I'll just leave 3 as is. So 27 is 3 to the power of how much? It's 3 to the power of 3 because 3 gets multiplied 3 times. How about 3 times 3? Well, it's 3 to the power of 2. Or another way you can say it is 3 squared because there are two 3's that are being multiplied. And this is just 3 to the power of 1, but I'll just leave it as it is. So I'm going to change 27 to this. So 3 to the power of 3. And then this gets changed to 3 squared. Okay, and then divided by 3 to the power of 5/6. And how do we get rid of the parentheses here? So to get rid of the parentheses, we need to multiply this and this. So what's 3 times 2/3? So 3 times 2/3. So I'll write this as 3 is the same thing as 3 divided by 1. And we're just going to cancel. So these are copies of each other, so we can just change them both to 1. Okay, 1 times 2, how much? 2. 1 times 1, 1. 2 divided by 1, 2. Okay, so this is going to be 3 to the power of 2 times, okay, what's 2 times 1/2? Well, what's 1/2 of 2? It's just 1. Okay, and then divided by 3 to the power of 5/6. Okay, so 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 1 is 3 to the power of how much? So since we're multiplying, we need to add 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. Okay, so this changes to 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 5/6. So when we multiplied, we had to add the exponents. When we divide, what do you think we should do with the exponents? We need to subtract. So 3 minus 5/6 is how much? How do we subtract fractions? Well, we need to get a common denominator. So 3 is how much divided by 6? 18. Okay, so 18/6 minus 5/6. Okay, so since these are matching, I can just do 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 is how much? 13. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 13/6. Another way you can write this is, okay, so you keep 3 to the power of 13, but then you just take the 6th root. So we say this is the 6th root of 3 to the power of 13. This is your answer.